good day at our house. Warm of the famous tale. That's right. Klong here will do his performance. Yeah. That's so good, Monty. What's that noise? Why is there like an eruption? I'll do all the works. There's something wrong. I'll have to see what's going on. Whoa! It's a tornado. Woo! It's a tornado. Wait, I remember him. From the Tornado Strikes Again? I remember him. Oh man, he's going up to the door. He's knocking on the door. Thanos answers the door and... Whoa! Ow! 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 Oh my! He's beating up Thanos! Oh my! Oh! Tornado! Stop! Wow! He's going to Storefills. What have we done? We gotta go. Okay, Klong, what abilities can you do? Well, I have several abilities. Whoa, this looks great on me. Now I can attack. Hey, Tornado. Here's Klong. Hello. Yes. That's it. I miss. We miss. That's right. What? I just get too much. It's so unremarkable. You'll see it right. I'll show everybody. The age of summer is over. It's time we had a little toast to revolution and me. Mentos. Pop. It's time for the candy volcano. Klong and Junior. Yeah. Oh, that's good. What are you doing? What? Boom shakalaka. Boom. Don't do that. Whoa. Junior, do something. Happy birthday. You're welcome. Aha, Tornado. I got you at last. Any last words, Tornado? Oh no! Help, Junior! The tornado's got me! Monty! He's over there by that castle. There's no way. I gotta be me. Breaking news, okay? The tornado just came back after 1 year ago, and he's trying to destroy guys named Klong, Monty, and Junior. There's nothing wrong with me. Have you boys? News report. Drop him, you wise guy. Oops. I'm too big to stay clean. Help! Call the cops! Call Bendy! Call my daddy! Oh no! I just gotta do something! Monty! Klong! Rage mod required! Give me back my friend! Yeah! Oh, well that didn't work. What do I do now? Oh no, not the beach! Give it up for my best friend Bendy to say goodbye to me and my dad and Sir K. Muggy and also Janie and Monty. Whoa. Sometimes I feel how spiky my, back of my, swords are. Stop doing that in there. You're stealing my grudge. Oh, no. Oh, man. I'm little now. Ha! You've got who now? From now on, you won't get me either. The cops are already coming. Hey, look! The chief! What is it, you two? There's a giant tornado trying to hunt us down. Don't worry, I've got it all with my super case tornado capture. So, do you see the tornado? Not yet. There! I don't see it. There! I don't see it. There's no tornado. It's gotta be here somewhere. You know what? We're putting up a trap. Here's a trap. We're going to do this. Honey! Come on, you were supposed to, like, not drink the honey. Oops, sorry. There's the tornado, run! Oh man, shoot it. Oh man, it got it 3 times, but it's not working. Oh. Yo, why the cops is there a tornado? It's not my fault that there's a tornado in your house, Mr. Junior. You know what? I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this. Oh. Oh no, he's gone. You know what? We're going to get avenged. We're going to avenge him, Junior. I'll get a zapper, and then you get, like, it's like net and also like tornado catcher. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I got this. I'm just gonna catch him while I can. There he is over there, trying to, like, be normal. Okay, he thinks we're down, but we're not. Hey! He's getting small again, Monty. You're supposed to get him. Oh, what was that, acid? Oh, no! He's coming towards me. He's going to eat me. Don't worry, Junior. I'll help. Die! Die! Die, tornado! Die! Whoa! You saved me. Thank you so much, Monty. Nah, it was a pleasure, Junior. You know what? There's something wrong with this. He's getting back up. Ah, that was cool that we got him. Yeah, the lesson we learned today, always try to get a trap for a tornado. Yeah, try to look with your eyes and not your hands. Yeah, the lessons are cool.